In this learning module, you will be learning how to use Screencast-O-Matic to create a screencast. This module will take 2 to 3 hours to complete. By the end of this module, you will have ideas for different ways to incorporate screencast into your online teaching and will have created a screencast on the topic of your choice. On the Blackboard course site, you will see the following information. On the Overview and Checklist section of the course site, you will find each portion of the module will have an overview explaining the module and a checklist to help ensure you complete all required parts. The virtual office is where you can post questions about an assignment or content. Please post it there for the good of the group. If you have an individual question, you are always welcome to email me. The course will also have a chat room. In the chat room, you're welcome to talk with your peers about anything. I will not be moderating this chat room, so please feel free to use it to get to know each other. A key component of online learning is discussion, so you will be expected to collaborate and discuss your findings as you work through the module. All of the reading content, links, and web sources will be provided for you to complete your assignments. Aside from participating on the discussion board, you will be expected to complete a learning task, which will be to create a screencast, and there will be a final assessment. The goal of this module is for you to feel more comfortable creating a screencast and to have a few more ideas about how to incorporate them into your teaching.